S24plus. First, never done one of these before. They're left on top of a car and has been run over. Got the gap, just gonna put the guitar pick. That's it. That's what does it look like. All of them Phillips screwdriver. Now the orange cable is always the battery. Go underneath and unplug the battery, unplug that. That's our loud. Like that. We gently lift. Now all these flags, that's the antenna. That's shut the end touch flex cable. Remove the charger port. And remove the motherboard. That's our motherboard. That's our front camera. We go see what it says, pull out. And this is it. And test that out. And I think we have another successful repair done. I hope you enjoyed the video.